Friend?
Give me that.
No,
You out.
I appreciate what you did for me. I could use all the help I could get. He doesn't have to.
Yes, he does.
He made a name for himself when he took out Yudi's group. High-profile clients. The kind that can't afford to carry a...
Set up shop.
I hear that he's looking to...
Be one of ours.
Be disturbed now. Thank you.
How long will my father be?
I'll have my men. With respect.
The respect is mutual.
There they are.
Mr. Goto.
Likewise, sir.
Yeah.
Your son speaks very highly of you.
His father made it damn difficult to get you a pardon.
It's a...
Now take your clothes off.
Ucho, come on, wait a second.
Listen. The indignity of an old man seeing your cock. They're not safe. Everything. Turn around. Check them. Burn them anyway. I will never forget that. We'll make sure you're looked after while you're here.
I won't let you down, sir.
That's everything you need. Anything you don't, do the exact same for you. I'll pick you up tomorrow at 8.
It's me.
What happened? We lost you.
You're gonna get...
Do they know?
If I hadn't torn that shit out first, I'd been burned. No, I'm not disclosing that. And don't you dare trace this fucking call. I don't want any...
No, now just listen.
I'm fucking serious. You could have gotten me killed. Fix them up, and I'll pick them up when I'm ready.
Hello? Hello?
Isa. Don't worry about me. Isa. Are you both safe? Is that Anga?
Yes.
Please.
Okay. Yeah.
We could go in smiling or storm in shooting. Focus. Don't let your mind drift. Not for a second. It's all there, in the envelope.
This isn't... Oh, yeah? Go back.
This guy.
Hitchhiker.
Hitchhiker? Fuck, come on.
Look at that. Camera rolling, shooting. Just fuck that guy's asshole, you stupid...
Sit down.
So?
For together peacefully throughout. But these payments, these... I'm here's territory.
Know that? That's
This
just...
new enterprise of yours, you sure as hell don't want some pig's knuckles rapping at your door. Forgive you this minor indiscretion.
Was life. Didn't put a foot wrong.
It. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
I was wondering, maybe handle some more of our...
Whoa. Yeah.
No.
Okay.
So far I'll meet someone found that one.
Come on, man. Drink a little. Pour him a drink.
Good, I'll just watch.
You don't ignore about these cheap skanks.
Hey, who the fuck are you calling skanks?
I'm the kind of guy your friend is rightly afraid of. Do you work? The place where you live? The place where you fuck remembers to show their appreciation.
So you're a debt collector?
She's a big girl. She can say what she wants.
What did you just say?
Fucking whore! Or try both! You wanna sing? Fucking songbook! Quick, we're waiting to sing! Hey, don't fucking touch that! Yes, but when it comes time to collect, it all changes. Oh, I'm so... So, is everything fine? You see? We're all happy. Get out! I'm fine. I don't care what some hooker says. I'm much more than that. More th- Oh yeah? When? Wait here. Hello?